Hello, parents. I'm Dr. Bullock, CEO and head of school for Indy STEAM Academy. Indy STEAM Academy provides 185 days of instructions for students. Our school day is 7 hours a day compared to 5 hours for traditional public schools. We provide opportunities for students to learn using hands-on projects like coding and robotics, Lego, creating science experiments, and building objects that solve real-world problems. Our students learn communication, collaboration, creative thinking skills, innovative and creative skills that support their engineering design challenges. At Indy STEAM, what sets us apart is that we provide 90 minutes of instruction in reading, math, and science. Students learn science every day so that they can learn about all of the careers that are available in the STEM workplace. Indy STEAM Academy is enrolling students grades K through 5 for the upcoming school year. We will add one additional classroom and one grade level every year until we reach grades K through 8, 450 students. Our first day of school is August 3rd, 2021. Our school is located in the former Tinley Renaissance building at 4020 North Sherman Drive. We're on the northeast side of Indianapolis. We're the little red schoolhouse at the top of the hill. Oh, there's so much more to learn about Indy STEAM Academy's activities and our curriculum. So reach out to me by visiting our website at indysteamacademy.org. Click on the Enroll Now button, or you can contact me at 317-556-2307. I'd love to talk with you about our academy.